Try painting feelings like that warm, golden hour glow, which lingers in your memory. Hi, I am illustrator and concept artist Enze Fu, here to teach you how to capture nostalgia and atmosphere in your illustrations. I will start off by showing you how to take full control of your colors. No filters, just a pure artistic intent and emotional impact. Let's break down contrast into types and use them to guide the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. From thumbnail to final render, I'll show you how to build a solid workflow that's clean, efficient, and totally your own. Let's capture the golden hour and make it last forever on your canvas. I am illustrator and concept artist Enze Fu, and I will be waiting for you at Colosso.